Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about automatic reply and out of office reply settings in Office 365. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to log into your Office 365 account and then you will need to click on this Outlook. Okay. From the Outlook window, you will need to click on this setting icon and from there you will see an option view all Outlook settings. Just click on this option and from there you will see an option of automatic replies. Just click on it and then see I have turned off the automatic reply setting. We can turn it on by just clicking on it. Now I can just select the time period that I mean within this time period the reply will be sent. Okay, to select the time period, just check this option and then select the start time of your automatic reply setting and then select the end time. Okay, you can block your calendars for this period. Also, you can decline new invitation for the events during this period. And also there is an option to decline and cancel my meetings during this period. You can check or uncheck these options as per your requirement. Now, we will uh, we will type a message that will be sent to those persons who will mail us during this period. Okay, now the persons who are sending us an email within our organization, for those persons we can type a message here. Hi, hi, I will be back on 24 2020 and will reply you soon. Thank you. Okay, if you also need to set up out of office reply settings, then you will need to check this option. Now, the persons who are out of your organizations and they are sending you an email, then this particular message will be sent to those persons. So you can type the message here. Hi, I am out of office and will reply you soon. Thank you. Okay, so if someone sends me an email from my organization, then this particular message will be sent to him. And if someone send me an email from out of my organization, then this particular mail will be sent to him. After doing these settings, you will just need to click on save button. Okay, that's all. We have successfully turned on the automatic reply settings. Hope you like our work. Thank you.